Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all. In the last session we have seen how to prepare a plan of a duplex building in 30-40 site or 9 meter by 12 meter site. Okay, here it is another plan. It is of a ground floor plan in 9 meter by 12 meter site, okay, which is having the north facing. The facing of site is north. Okay, especially the 9 meter by 12 meter means in feet it will be 29 feet 7 inch and 39 feet 5 inch. We have prepared a plan for that only. Okay, mainly this plan is comprised of 2 bedrooms. Here we have taken 2 bedrooms, 1 living room and another 1 kitchen room, 1 bath, 1 WC which is separately provided, 1 puja room and parking. So this much amount of elements we have fixed in the site 9 meter by 12 meter. Okay, this is 9 meter and this is 12 meter. Okay, when you convert 9 meter into the feet, it will be 29 feet 7 inch, and in longer direction it will be 39 feet 5 inch. These many elements we have provided. Here what happens, when you prepare a plan, we must have the offset, the proper offset need to be given. Here we have taken a compound of thickness 5 inch, that is 1 brick thickness is taken into consideration, along with the pillars are provided in common. Apart from that, we kept the offset of 2 feet on either side. On all the sides we have kept a 2 feet offset. Whenever you construct, there should be offset for ventilation purpose, for light and ventilation. Mainly these are provided because on the periphery of this building we will be providing the windows to the specific rooms. Okay, here in this drawing we have provided 1 staircase in the front. Okay, these are as per the Vastu provision. So this is north, south, east and west. Here north, okay, the kitchen is provided in the southeast corner. Okay, so it is as per Vastu. Okay, behind this we have provided a utility of size 13 feet 3 inch, 13 feet by 3 feet, and there we have fixed a washing machine also. In this location in the utility we have provided or we have fixed the washing machine, and kitchen is of width 12 feet by 8 feet 6 inch. It is provided with kitchen table as well as the store, and the provision for fridge, that is location for fridge is provided. Apart from this, next we'll come to the puja room, which is of size 5 feet 3 inch by 3 feet. Okay, the opening is 2 feet 6 inch, and we have provided a back door to the kitchen to access the utility. Here we have provided. Apart from that, in the front we have provided living room. The door is in the north, in the direction of north, and a small parking is provided. Here the living room size is 12 feet by 15 feet. The TV cabinet is provided towards the north direction. Whereas parking is of size 8 feet 7 inch by 6 foot 6 inch, and open veranda is provided in front of the main door, and from here open veranda you can access the staircase. Apart from this, we have 2 bedrooms. 1 bedroom is of size 10 feet 6 inch by 12 feet 2 inch. Another bedroom is of size 10 feet 6 inch by 9 feet 2 inch. Here we have provided bathroom of size 7 feet 1 inch by 4 feet, and here we have provided 4 feet 3 inch by another WC, separate WC we have provided, it is 4 feet 3 inch by 3 feet, and in this we have provided a small wash basin here, and sink is provided here, and in the bedrooms we have provided separate wardrobes. Mainly you can go for the furniture work also, and every room is provided with a window of size 5 feet. The bedroom windows are of width 5 feet. Kitchen window is of width 5 feet. Whereas in living room we have provided 7 feet and 5 feet. One window is of 7 feet width, another window is of 5 feet width. Apart from that, we need to provide here for bathroom and WC, we need to provide the ventilators. Apart from these windows, we need to provide ventilators. For the purpose of safety, we are going to provide here the safety grill, that is to the utility. A gate, MS gate is provided here, so that one can access this from outside also. Whereas here in the front, we will be providing the main door, that is of mainly it is of material teakwood, and the flooring maybe you may use the granite material or vitrified tiles, whatever. Okay, it depends on the requirements. Okay, so within this limit we have provided all those things, and some portion of ramp is extended towards the road. Okay, ramp is to access the parking. Apart from that, we have given 3 steps. Okay, that is at 3 steps will bring you to take you to the plinth level. These are at 1 level. All the rooms, the flooring level is at 1 level. Okay, whatever the blue lines, blue blocks are shown. These are store. Okay, these are store and wardrobes. Okay, apart from that, kitchen table is made with the granite or some. We have seen the locations of all the requirements. We have sofa here, beds are shown here. Okay, so in this way we will be doing the detailed drawing. Okay, one must show the detailed drawing before providing or before showing to the client. Before finalizing the drawing, it must be very clear. So the dimension, one can easily read the drawing. Okay, one should somebody who is not at all related to the engineering field can read the drawing and understand. That is the major important. You need to mention all the details here. So in this way we will be providing or we will be preparing the working drawing. Okay, so these are all as per Vastu. That means this is kitchen room is in the southeast corner. These are in the northwest, the direction of northwest, and free space is kept for northeast. So here we will be getting bore and water tank. Okay, it is water to be stored, or here will be water tank, underground water tank to be provided here. Okay, if you don't have any drainage facility, here you can go for the septic tank and so put outside. Okay, in this way, as per the Vastu, you need to. Okay, if the client have the requirement of Vastu also, you need to provide those drawings in that manner. Okay, I think you like the video, whatever the sessions we had. Okay, you might have liked this one. If you really like, please press like button, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to watch my previous video on preparation of drawings for a duplex building in the 3040 site. Thank you.